to you with another makeup tutorial. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and if you like, give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial look. I'm kind of freestyling it, and I am changing up my entire makeup routine, but this is the first time of me changing it up, so bear with me, and I hope you guys like it. First things first, I start out with my eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder in chocolate, and I'm also using an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush.
My eyes are a little fucked up right now. I went back for my fillers, and it's still kind of swollen.
Here's where I change up my makeup routine. I'm going to take LA Girls Pro Concealer and Warm Honey. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take a yellow LA Girls Pro Concealer. I'm going to mix the two. I'm going to leave one Warm Honey, and then I'm going to have a lighter color with the two mixed. I'm going to put the lighter color in the arch of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to put the darker color in near the front of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to mix it all together over my lid. The brush that I'm using is a concealer brush that I got from Ulta. To blend out my concealer, I'm using an e.l.f. highlighting brush. The Morphe palette that I'm using is in Second Nature, and the color that I'm using is Brave. So you're going to take the color Brave and you're going to pack it into your crease. After packing it in, you're going to lightly do small circular motions to blend out the color. And also a little bit of combination of windshield wiping. I'm using an e.l.f. crease brush to take the color Rich to go within the crease. I also took this color and worked it a little bit into the front of my eyebrow. I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush, and I'm using that to pack on the color Universal in my Morphe palette. To deepen my crease, I added a little bit more of Rich. I'm using Maybeline Precise to do my wing liner. I'm applying Koko lashes in Misha with hair glue. I'm using Lash Sensational mascara by Maybeline. For my foundation, I'm using Black Opal and Rich Caramel, and I'm using an e.l.f. foundation blurring brush to apply the foundation. To conceal my dark circles, I'm using Urban Decay color corrector in Peach. Here I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did for my eyebrows. I'm going to take the lighter color and I'm going to put that near the inner corners of my eye, and I'm going to take the darker and apply it on the outer. So I'm going to take the foundation and apply it just on the outer edges of where I applied the concealer. I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighting brush to blend out all the parts that I highlighted on my face. To blend out all the concealer, you're just going to pat. You don't have to blend. I'm applying Mercier translucent powder on all the parts that I highlighted on my face. Here I'm applying Ben Nye luxury powder in beige suede. I'm going to blend everything out with the multitasker complexion brush by Sephora. I'm also going to take Brave and Rich and apply it in the hollow parts of my face. To do my contour, I'm using Ulta contour kit, and I'm mixing golden bronzer and bombshell bronzer. To apply my contour, I'm using an airbrush foundation brush by It Brushes from Ulta. I'm using NYX matte bronzer in Deep Tan. I'm using an airbrush powder by It Brushes from Ulta. The blush that I'm using is Tarte by Tarte Cosmetics. I'm using MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I'm using Rimmel London lipstick in shade 42. Whatever was left on my crease brush, I'm using that to apply on my lower lash line. I'm using NYX Jumbo Pencil in black to apply on my lower lash line. Here you can use any lip gloss. I use like a light shimmery pink. I'm using my Naked palette in Half Baked to apply my highlights. I'm using Ulta Beauty Makeup Setting Spray in Dewy.